हेलो स्टूडेंट्स एंड हेलो एवरीवन। हमेशा की तरह कुछ आपके लिए कुछ नया चीज़ मैं लेके आता हूँ। तो यहाँ पे आपके लिए आज एक क्वेश्चन आपके पास है। क्वेश्चन तो मैथ का है और चैलेंजिंग पार्ट ये है कि क्या आप इसको सॉल्व कर सकते हो या नहीं कर सकते हो। तो क्वेश्चन आपके सामने है, अगर आप चाहो तो वहाँ पे क्वेश्चन को देखो और इफ़ यू आर एबल टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चंस देन आई विल बी वेरी ट्रस्टफुल दैट कि यू आर ए गुड स्टूडेंट्स, नो डाउट। बट मैंने क्वेश्चन मार्क लगा दिया है, कैन यू सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम। अगर क्वेश्चन मार्क है तो दैट मीन्स कुछ तो बात होगी। क्वेश्चन देखने में बड़ा सिंपल सा है। अब मुझे लगता है क्वेश्चन देखने के बाद आप वंस यू गो टू just to solve this problem, because you just feel that it's not a very big questions, not a very typical questions, लेकिन मुझे लगता है आप कर लोगे आप। तो चलो आप करो, आप अपनी तरफ से अपनी एफर्ट लगाओ। तब तक के लिए लेट मी स्टार्ट कि हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन। जो बच्चे ऐसे हैं जो यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा कैपेबल नहीं हो पाएंगे सॉल्व करने के लिए, उनके लिए मेरी तरफ से थोड़ा आपको मैं चाहूँगा कि यहाँ पे हेल्प कर दूँ। ठीक है, तो लेट मी स्टार्ट। और क्वेश्चन आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हो, क्वेश्चन आपके पास है x माइनस 1/x रेज पावर 1/2 प्लस 1 माइनस 1/x होल पावर 1/2, दिस वन इज इक्वल टू x। दिस इज द क्वेश्चन। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। सबसे पहले मैं यहाँ पे आपको जो फर्स्ट टर्म है हमारा उसको मैं मान लेता हूँ a। दैट मीन्स दिस फर्स्ट टर्म x माइनस 1/x whole power 1/2 is a, and the second term you consider this one is b, 1 minus x 1/x whole power 1/2, this one is equal to b. Now this equation will be, this two equation becomes like this. अब ये कैसा लगेगा आपको देखने में, तो a plus b equal to x, these two equation a, this one is a whole things, like that means x minus 1/x whole power 1/2, this will be a, and then in between there is plus and this whole terms is b, a plus b equal to x. Okay, now we are going to multiply both side by a minus b, then a minus b, a plus b, and x into a minus b in RHS side. In LHS side you are multiplying a minus b also, in RHS side you are also multiplying by a minus b. Then from the identity of a minus b and a plus b, you will get the value of a square minus b square, which is equal to x a minus b. Okay, now with the help of this part, you know a square, what is the value of a square? After squaring both side, you can see here, when you are squaring both side you get the value of a square equal to x minus 1/x. Similarly, when you are squaring this term b square both side, you get the value 1 minus 1/x. Okay, 1 minus 1/x, and this one is x minus 1/x. Now continue next terms, that means this a square minus b square, then a square minus b square, which is equal to x minus 1. And you know what is the value of a, put the value of a square minus b square, which is equal to x minus 1. Put the value of this instead of this place, you x minus 1. So I am writing here x minus 1 is equal to x a minus b. Now in next time divide both side by x. So x minus 1/x divide x, this one is equal to a minus b. Okay, then in left side or LHS side, you can write here 1 minus 1/x, and in RHS side it will be same, a minus b. 1 minus there is a equation, one equation is a plus b equal to x, and other equation is you have a minus b equal to x, right? There are two equations you have, and simply जैसे आप सॉल्व करते हो इक्वेशन को a plus b और a minus b को, we are going to write these two equation here like this, a plus b equal to x, and in next equation which is a minus b equal to 1 minus x, 1/x. Adding these two equations. Now b and b will cancel out, there is a and a, which is equal to 2a. You can write 2a equal to, and this one you can also add, which is equal to x plus 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by x, right? Then 2a, which is equal to x, you can take this value x, you are taking together the terms of x. This is first x and next minus 1 by x, take it together, and at the end you write 1 plus 1. And you know, x minus 1 by x, what is the value of x minus 1 by x? X minus 1 by x, you can see here in a yellow pen, a square. This is the value of a square. So you can write at this place, this is a square. So your equation will be 2a plus a square plus 1. Okay, and this will become the quadratic equation, a square plus 2a plus 1 equal to 0, which will give the value of a minus 1 is square whole square equal to 0. That means a equal to 1. The value of a you have already given. You can find here the value of a. Okay, now we are going to put the value of a in this equation. Then what will happen? X minus 1 by x or 1 by 2, this is 1 is equal to 1, because a equal to 1, that means a square will be also 1. And now solve this one. X minus 1 by x, start with x minus 1 by x, this value equal to 1, and then write like this, multiply both sides by x, 1 into x, in left side you are also multiplying by x minus 1 by x equal to 1 into x, then it will be x square minus 1, x square minus 1 equal to x. Once again you get the quadratic equation, x square minus x minus 1 equal to 0. That means it's a quadratic equation, and there will be you get the two values of this quadratic equation. One is phi as 1 plus root phi by 2, and other one is minus 1 by phi, which is equal to 1 minus root phi by 2. There are two equations. Okay, you can put the value of these two terms, phi equal to 1 plus root phi by 2, and other is minus 1 by phi equal to 1 minus root phi by 2 in these equations, so that you can find that is it satisfied your equation or not. First we are going to put the negative root. This one is the second term for negative root. When we are going to put the negative root, we find that after putting the value, it's a 2.618, which is equal to minus 0.618, which is not equal. Okay, this is not equal value, so this value can't satisfy this equation, upper equation, the main value of equations. This one shows that 1 plus phi is not equal to minus 1 by phi, so this will never satisfy the main equation of the value which we find in second terms, this one in second term. Now we are going to put the value of phi equal to 1 plus root phi by 2. Now let us see what happened. After putting the value in second terms, we get the value of 1.618, and this 1.618, this one is equal to 1.618, which is equal to, that means you can say that 1 plus the value of 1 plus 1 by phi, this one is equal to phi. Therefore this is the solution of this main equation. That means the value of phi, which is 1 plus root phi by 2, is the satisfied this main equation, and this is the main solution of this equation, not a second part. Okay, thank you so much, and thanks for watching. It's a very important question, very knowledgeable question, so you must watch it. Thank you.